The South Shoreline runs between Chicago Millennium Station and the northern Indiana cities of Gary, Michigan City, and South Bend. It's famous for a lot of reasons. It is one of America's last remaining interurban railroads. It is one of the only electric railroads in the United States, but it's most famous for this segment of street running down the streets of Michigan City, Indiana. Unfortunately, as we speak, the South Shoreline in Michigan City is undergoing construction to remove the street running section and have the trains run on their own right-of-way. That's why 11th Street Station is currently closed, so instead today we are at Carroll Avenue Station, which has a large park and ride facility for passengers and is also the terminus of some trains traveling on the line.